Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today is a Tuesday, a windy Tuesday actually. It's already spring. It's pretty good weather. And it's now 6 p.m. almost. And I've been waiting for the girl for 2 hours. 2 hours. Just to get ready. So we need to go to Ikea to get some new stuff for their room. Because they took down their bunk bed. And they separated their bunk beds. Now they're 2 beds. And now we need to get some new stuff for their room. Let's go! Let's go.
Let's go.
I've been waiting for 2 hours.
2 hours? We're waiting for you.
What are you doing?
Papa, can you type it? Can you type it? My nails are so gorgeous.
Wait,
what?
Like, how am I gonna wear this now? No! Oh my god!
Powder!
Let's go, Powder.
Hey, Powder.
She knows. She knows.
Let's go. You wanna go?
Let's go.
Wanna come?
Oh my gosh, look at my nails.
And now we're on our way after 3 hours.
As usual. What's new?
I'm sorry.
We're sorry. Pa! My nails.
Your nails?
No.
What's wrong with your nails?
My babies are ruined. Oh my gosh.
Let me see your nails.
We have the same.
Oops. See Daisy.
Hey! Focus. 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 Focus.
So, what am I gonna buy?
We're buying lamp, a side table, pizza for me. Focus! Hey, you guys!
I can see your double chin.
Ah! I can see it too! Focus! Focus! To my...
Okay, so we're heading to Ikea now. We'll be checking back in a bit. And we're here in Ikea. Ow! Dang, static! Static? Who does that? Leaving in the car and not turning it off. Good job! Okay, again. Manel! Manel!
Oh, so it is. Oh my goodness.
Lift my jacket. It's freezing cold. I can feel my nose and my hands. See? It's all pale. Let me see your nails.
Huh?
Let me see your nails. Focus. It's not focusing.
Flawless!
Oh yeah? Let me see.
That's the one I want.
Which one?
So behind the sofa.
I love your boots.
Thanks. It's awesome.
Actually, it's mom's.
It's ugly. The length is side table. For the water? 40 bucks.
Okay, 39 bucks for a small table.
That's the cheapest. What do you want? This one?
Oh, it's gonna fit. I don't know. I'm not sure. But
Not this.
they still can't decide on what to get. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Hey, focus. Hello. Oh, see? Oh my
Which one you like
God.
better? This one or the other one?
The other one. Dang. You have like some sort of an allergy right there. I thought it was, they were just
I'm
insect
hungry.
bites. I know I'm hungry too. I'm starving.
I want pizza. Hey, focus. Hello.
We've been going round and round, round and round and round. They couldn't decide what to get. I'm just here for the meatballs. If you guys have not tried the meatballs here in the Ikea, bomb. This is what I'm talking about. That's the sound effects.
Anything else besides meatballs?
Yeah.
Anything else?
No, that should do it.
Have a good night. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. How was it?
Good.
Told you. Uy!
Yeah, girl.